Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery. Removal. On the bottom of the notebook, slide the service door release latch, identified with a service door icon, to the release position. Slide the service door toward the front of the notebook. Lift the service door out of the accessory bay and remove. Replacement. Align the edges of the service door with the edges of the accessory bay and place the service door into position. Slide the service door toward the rear of the notebook until it is properly seated and the service door release latch clicks. Slide the service door release latch to the locked position to secure the service door in the accessory bay. Caution: any red visible under the service door release latch indicates that the service door is not securely locked in the accessory bay. This may allow the service door to slide out inadvertently.